With just under 10 days before the first Galaxy Unpacked launch event of 2024, the three unique Galaxy S24 Ultra colors that will only be available directly from Samsung can now be seen for the first time in official press images. It won't be long until Samsung fans can finally get a model from the Galaxy S24 series. Consumers will be able to reserve the Galaxy S24 Ultra on January 17, 2024 and will likely have a total of 7 color options on Samsung's webshop. The two different shades of gray, as well as purple and yellow, have already been spotted in official render images. Those who prefer it colorful but less intense may prefer the 3 exclusive color options, which have now been posted online for the first time in official render images by us leaker Evan Blast and confirmed the previously rumored colors. Although the press images are not particularly high resolution, the colors orange, green, and blue are clearly recognizable, with the latter two appearing rather pastel. An impression of how the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to look in everyday life has already been revealed twice in recent weeks, but the new Samsung flagship can now also be seen from the front for the first time with the display turned on. The black display edge looks to be equally thin on all 4 sides but is bounded by a somewhat thick frame, the case color titanium gray in this example. Finally, it seems that the model pictured is the titanium homosexual Galaxy S24 Ultra, which, although identical to the natural titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max, may look better in person than Apple's flagship. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, however the Plus and Standard variants may be powered by the in-house Exynos 2400 in select regions, which early benchmark scores have revealed is no slouch. With the forthcoming introduction of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series and the diversity of color options, it's evident that smartphone aesthetics are becoming more essential to customers. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.